So any question regarding our today's lecture?
I think everything's clear.
Everyone, please do participate.
Yeah, so far I think it's clear too.
Okay, Leo,
Yes, all clear.
Landry, any confusion?
Yeah, it's quite clear.
Stella, Jackie, Lindsay, and Sunho.
It's clear.
Okay, so from the next week, we'll be talking about more. And let me know that this video will help you or not, if I want to include that video or not. You want to see that or not? Please do, send me that, your feedback on our group, whether we should include these kind of videos or not. Okay, so that's all from our today's lecture. See you next week with exciting chapter as well. Take care.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
have a